What if you could create a full Google Ads campaign straight from your phone without even touching your desktop? With Claude Dispatch and InsightfulPipe, you can. First, we need to connect Google Ads to Claude through InsightfulPipe. This is what lets you control your ad accounts from anywhere, even when you are far from the office. Go to InsightfulPipe connectors, choose Google Ads, sign in with your Google account, and grant access. Select the ad account you want to connect, then click Connect. The connection is saved. Copy the InsightfulPipe MCP server URL from the guide page. In Claude Desktop, go to Settings, then Connectors, and click Add Custom Connector. Paste the InsightfulPipe MCP URL, name it, and click Add. The InsightfulPipe connector is now added. Click Connect to authorize it. The connector is now connected. Everything is set up. Now, here is the exciting part. Go to the Dispatch tab and grab your phone. We are going to create an entire Google Ads campaign without touching the desktop. The prompt asks Claude to build a campaign with a $10 daily budget, an ad group with keywords, and a complete ad with headline, description, and destination URL. Look at that. Claude picked up the task on the desktop, connected to Google Ads through InsightfulPipe, and built the entire campaign structure automatically. The campaign is set to search with a $10 daily budget targeting the US. The ad group has 5 keywords. The ad has 3 headlines and 2 descriptions, and everything is created in pause state, ready to go live whenever you want. Let's open Google Ads and verify. The Claude Dispatch campaign is right there in the account. The campaign, the ad group, the ad creative, and all 5 keywords are exactly as we asked. Everything was built from a single prompt from your phone. That is Claude Dispatch with InsightfulPipe, your platforms controlled from your phone wherever you are. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit InsightfulPipe.com today.